Here is how to set up custom payment methods in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the top right area of the screen for the settings icon shown as a gear. Click that gear to open the menu. In the options that appear, select All Lists. This opens the area where QuickBooks keeps several list-based settings used across your company file, including the list for payment methods. Once you are in All Lists, find and select Payment Methods. This takes you to the Payment Methods list, where you can review the options that are already available in your account. If your business accepts a form of payment that is not listed there yet, this is the place to add it so it can be selected later when you record customer payments or create sales receipts. On the Payment Methods page, click New. This opens the form for creating another payment method. The form is brief, so the main item you need to enter is the name of the custom payment method you want QuickBooks to display. In the name field, type the label you want to use. For example, you might enter bank transfer, Zelle, or Cash App, depending on how your customers pay you and how you want those payments identified in your records. Use the wording that will make the most sense to you when you are reviewing transactions later. Since this name will appear as a selectable payment method, it helps to keep it clear and specific. After the name is entered, click Save to add the payment method. QuickBooks will save the new entry to your payment methods list and return it as an available option in the places where payment methods are used. If the list refreshes after saving, that is expected. From that point forward, the custom payment method you created will be available when recording payments and when creating sales receipts. That means when you receive money from a customer or enter a sale that has already been paid, you can choose the custom method you just added instead of relying only on the default options already in QuickBooks. This can help keep your transaction records aligned with the actual ways your business collects money, especially if you use transfer services or payment apps that are not represented by the standard list. If you add more than one custom method over time, each one will appear in the same payment method selection area, making it easier to categorize incoming payments consistently. Your custom payment method is now added in QuickBooks Online and available for payments and sales receipts.